I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Photos and selecting the inverted clip. This is where you act. Once selected, tap Edit. You need the built-in editor, not a third-party app. Make sure the clip plays so you can preview orientation changes. If it won't play, free up storage or restart the phone. You'll use the crop and rotate controls. Next, go straight to the rotate icon and prepare to apply the correct 180-degree rotation, then save a test version. You now perform the precise edits. Tap the rotate button until the video is upright. Rotating in 90-degree increments gets the orientation correct. If the image is mirrored after rotation, apply the flip or mirror control to correct left-right reversal. Not every iOS version labels it, so check icons. Once done, play the clip in the editor to confirm motion and audio sync. Make sure you're satisfied, because the next step will finalize. You finish by tapping Done and choosing whether to save over the original or save a new file. Saving new preserves the original as backup. If you need a different format or resolution, export via Share to Files or iMovie to re-encode with proper orientation metadata. Once saved, replay the exported file to confirm orientation across apps. If the inversion returns, restart the phone, or open the clip in iMovie and reapply rotation, then export. This re-encodes and usually
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.